Stay tuned for the right way to upgrade your audio on the 23.5 CVO and up touring motorcycles with the Skyline Infotainment Center. All right, so if you've got a 23.5 CVO with the Skyline Infotainment Center, wanting to put some audio into your bike, there has been some solutions out there in the past, but they're just not the right way to do it. They're going off of the factory amplifier that's in the bike before they get signal to the amplifier, and it's just not the clean, proper way to do a system in your bike. The Skyline Infotainment Center has what's called an A2B output, which is a full digital output. There's actually no audio coming out of it. So up until now, everyone's been doing a line output converter after the factory amplifier, either the silver one or the black one made by Rockford Fosgate. And you're getting that high output signal going into an amplifier. The right way to do it is to do that conversion in another module that doesn't have an amplifier in it, so that when I go out of this module into an amplifier, I've got a 100% flat EQ curve that needs very little tuning in most applications, and it gives you the crystal clear, crisp sound that you're going to be looking for, plus leave a whole bunch of extra room inside of your fairing, because this is all you're putting in and getting rid of the amplifier. We've also come up with a couple of solutions, both for the Road Glide and the Street Glide, of our stainless steel mounting brackets. Our little A2B solution is going to go here or right here on the Street Glide. It's also going to have the holes in here for the amplifiers from Diamond Audio, so that everything's going to bolt in. We're not using any Velcro. We're not using any duct tape. We're not using 15-year-old motorcycle audio technology when people were still just trying to figure out what to do. We're actually bolting it in the way Harley would have done, so it's going to last for the long haul. I'll go over a couple of options that Diamond Audio carries that we work with and let you know about this great solution. All right, next thing is we've got two models of this, both the Standard and the Pro. The first one is going to be the Standard, where you've got a completely flat EQ curve coming out of this to go into one of your amplifiers that you're running and then onto your speakers. The Standard, you'll be doing all of your adjustments for your crossovers and gains and everything right on the amplifier, just as you would on a standard radio. The really cool part is we have the Pro model, which has a built-in DSP with an unheard of 1,024 bands of EQ. It has high pass, low pass, band pass, and it's got 8 channels of 5-volt RCA output, second to none. You're not going to find anything out there like this. When you buy the system from us, we're even going to pre-make your harness for you. This thing's a piece of cake. You're going to unplug your factory amplifier, plug this into it. You're going to take this plug, it's going to go right into here. You've got your RCAs that go to your amplifier, and then speaker wires out of your amplifier into this system, and a remote turn-on wire. That's it. If you want, we can even put this all together and bolt it down, and it's going to show up as a kit with everything mounted, and you're literally going to unplug your amplifier, remove it from the bike, plug it into this, set it in the bike. It's literally going to take no time at all. We take all the guesswork out of this for you, and we even do the pre-tune when you buy one of our kits and you buy the Pro model. We actually have already been working on a whole bunch of tunes with our DMRTA, to where if you buy an amplifier and a pair of speakers, we've done the tune. It's just like going somewhere and spending hundreds of dollars getting a nice DSP tune. We've done that for you. So now you don't have to go hope that you have somebody in your area that knows anything about DSPs, because we've been doing it for years. Okay, as you know, Diamond carries a multitude of levels of audio systems for your bike to fit into every budget and what you're looking for the end result of the bike to sound. Starting off with our Micro V2 series and a 2 or a 4 channel, their Micro 8U series and either a 2 or a 4 channel, which put out a ton of power. You're never even going to be able to utilize all that power with these speakers. Then we pair that up with some of the speakers I've got in the background, the MP652s, the 692s. And then we've got the cream of the crop. We've got the Diamond MS Neos. These things frickin' rock. I've got them on my own bike and absolutely love them. Paired with some of their 3/4 inch compression horn tweeters. You can add them front and rear, or just the front, and let the 6x9 mid bass in the back do all the talking by itself, and you don't need that extra tweeter. It's however you want to set it up. Now, if you have any questions on any of this, I'm always available to help you out, put a kit together that's going to work around your budget, fit your needs of what you want the sound system to be, to where you're happy with the kit the first time. No more of this doing it once, doing it again, doing it down the road. All of our kits are going to be plug and play, and I'm going to help you get the right kit the first time, and you're just happy. We'll tune it, that way you're not blowing stuff up, and everything's going to be covered by the full manufacturer warranty that we take care of here at Lifestyle Cycle, so you not even have to go to anywhere else. to get a warranty taken care of if something should arise. So if you're looking to upgrade the audio system in your 23.5 CVO and up, Road Glide, Street Glide, anything with that Skyline Infotainment Center, reach out to us. We've got all the solutions for you. We keep it in stock. We take care of our customers with our customer service, and we'll help you build a kit that fits your needs of what you want the bike to be, and even make it expandable if you want to do just fronts for now and add some more later on, or even get into 6/8 speakers since you have all those outputs on the amplifier. Everything you see here is available at Lifestyle Cycles online megastore, where you always get free shipping on anything over $50 and 5% in megabucks towards future purchases.
Whoa, wait! Don't go anywhere until you like and subscribe to make sure you get notified every time we post our how-to videos, our product reviews, and all of our amazing interviews with your favorite racers and industry icons. I'll see you guys next time.